So I will now invite CA Manoj Lamba sir to the panel to show you some tools we have built at Bizgyan AI. So two tools are there. One is Setu. So I will give a brief introduction about this tool. Meanwhile, sir is joining. So what difficulties professionals are facing these days, like the new Income Tax Act 2025 is into the picture, but the sections we remember are of Income Tax Act 1961, or the rules are into new rules are into pictures, new forms are into picture, but the provisions, rules, form numbers we remember are of the previous rules or the previous forms. So there is disruption in the voice, like fan is on. Kindly switch off the fan at your end. Na? Yes. So moreover, at Bizgan team, we have developed that tool. Now, sir, welcome to the panel for this third day. And now you can share your experience and expertise regarding income tax and how that tool can be useful for professionals.
A very good evening to all, and thank you, Mukul, for giving me an opportunity to show how we chartered accountant, tax professional, advocate can use this AI in automation of their practice. How we can do the work of hours in seconds. How can we save our staff cost? How we can increase our productivity. So we at Bijgan is developing some tools to increase CA productivity from every angle, not only to reduce the staff cost, but also to increase efficiency, to reduce the time. So first, I will demonstrating straightforward without discussing theoretical part because this tool is very big tool. So straightforward, I am coming to a tool which is wholly developed by our Bijgan team, is named Kar Setu. Kar Setu is the Hindi word, and this word you can say it's for bridging the gap between the new provisions and old provisions. So I am sharing my screen to demonstrate the same. Hope every one of you are able to see this on the screen.
Yes, sir, screen is visible.
Okay, thank you, Mukul. So friends, this is a tool named Kar Setu developed by our team, and now I will demonstrate how it will ease your working on the income tax. How you easily grab the new income tax act. One by one, I will show everything. First thing, I will show the on the left hand side, you are seeing the tab bar. First one is Kar Setu AI, then is Section Setu, then Niyam and Patra Setu, then compare 1962 with 2026, then compliance calendar, then notification analyzer, then legal opinions, then notice navigator, then smart research, then my library, consolidated report, knowledge bank, blog studio, my blog, branding profile, everything is there. Friends, if you see on the screen, first I am going to the section Setu. Section Setu. Income Tax Act 1961. Here you have to select the section 1961. I am writing here, sir, section 44AB. As you know, this section is the regarding to the compulsory provisions of audit. As you select 44AB in the Income Tax Act, on the same time it will give you a demonstration of section 63. Yani the old section is 44AB. Now it is replaced by section 63. Now it is replaced by section 63, sir. The whole section is with you. So it will, by this way, you can track any section. If you write 139 is there, that is return of income. Now 139 is replaced by 263. Meanwhile, if we write 132, that is search and seizure provision, now it is replaced by 247. If you write 131, summon, now it is converted by 246. Getting my point, sir? The first function you can see on your screen is uh, about the comparison of section. Not only you can compare the section, but you can do one thing more. Create here download comparison PDF. Click on this download comparison PDF.
So you can once open your camera. I think it is closed due to some error.
You are asking to me, Mukul?
Yes, yes. Once close your camera and then off.
Just a minute. Yes, now it is okay.
Yes. Once also reshare your screen. I think I am not able to see.
Now you are able to see where the screen is visible.
No, once exit it and then reshare it.
No, just a minute.
Yes, now it is okay.
Now I am writing it again here, section 132, that is with regard to search and seizure, very important. With new section is 247. If I click here on download comparison PDF, see what will happen. You are able to see on the screen the report. Mukul, report is visible on screen.
No, I think you have only shared that Kar Setu screen, na? That way that only that is visible.
Just a minute, just a minute,
Share the entire screen, then it will be visible.
just a minute. Now visible?
Yes, now okay.
Sir, just you click on the button comparison PDF. First, it will give the entire section 132 or 131 in complete PDF. 131 is there, and then here 246 is there. And after that, comparative analysis report. First is executive summary, then side by side comparison table. What is the old section number? What is the new section number? What changed? What is the subject matter? Is there any change in subject matter? What is the scope and applicability under old law, new law? What is the threshold in old law? What is under new law? What is the time limits? What are the compliance procedure? What are the penalties for the new compliance? What are the terminology? And after that, verbatim textual difference. Not only it is given in the tabular form, what are the differences between the old law and new law, it also exactly tell you what is newly added and what is deleted. So you can see how beautifully it is designed. Then substantive versus cosmetic changes. What are cosmetic changes? What are the substantive changes? What are the government intent? Why this change? What are the practical impact on the taxpayer? What are the key points for the professional? And what are the conclusion? So how beautiful this PPT. Just by comparing any section, no need to read any section. No need to learn this you can say any section, rules or reference. Getting my point? Just by putting the old section, you will get the new section, both on a single screen. And not only the section is with available with you. What is the old law, what is the new law? The complete comparison analysis report with you. Hope it is will be useful for you. How many chartered accountants are there? Is really useful for you, sir? First function. At least write yes or no. How many of you find it useful? Ramesh is saying yes. Ashish is yes. Mukul is writing very, very useful. And Govinda Raju is yes, yes. Okay, good. Thank you, everyone. Then, sir, second function. If I want, earlier we are buying commentaries, detailed commentaries. We want commentary for detailed analysis of section. Here, just by one click, you can generate professional commentary. I am generating professional commentary. And download branded PDF. So see, Mukul, is it visible on screen?
Yes, visible, sir.
This is now it has generated ready reckoner for section 247 search and seizure. Earlier you are buying ready reckoner for this. Now complete ready reckoner is there. What is the snapshot of the section? What at section at a glance? What are the threshold and monetary limit? What are the rate multipliers and formula? What are the compliance calendar? What are the forms, due dates and modes? What are the forms and register is to be maintained as per this section? What are the penalties and the consequences? And what are the what numerical example? Certain numerical example are also given. What are these 5 examples are there? What are the practical checklists? What are the cross reference to the section 2? There is a reference to section 241, 246, 268, assessment procedure. Everything is complained. What are the reference to other act, Indian Penal Code, Black Money Act? So it will give the complete ready reckoner of a particular section. Second, first thing I will show comparison, then ready reckoner is available for you. Ready reckoner is available you. And if you click on this, sir, then commentary coming to again. After ready reckoner, I am showing you the commentary. How you can generate commentary. Just a minute. I am again now writing 44 AB here. Now it will 44 AB 63. Now I will generate professional commentary. Loaded catch it commentary. Save and edit log. Here I save it. Your commentary is in my library. You click on my library. Here action.
It is coming at last 63. Second last.
Second last, yes. That is of 23 April. I think it is not saved here yet. Saved here. Yes, it is of 23 April only. Just go, no problem. Go back again there and go to the section Setu again. Income Tax Act. I mentioned here 44 AB. Again, I am generating the same. Generate professional commentary.
Download branded PDF.
Just a minute. I am before that because it is taking less time. That's why I have generated in the Word file. So detailed commentary is here. Again, it is showing ready reckoner. Why it is? Yes, that is a professional commentary. Setu professional commentary. First is the snapshot view, single page. Yes, that is the section 63. Snapshot is there. At a glance is there. Threshold and monetary limit is there. Rate and multiplier formulas are there. Compliance calendar is there. Form register is there. Penalty and consequences there. Work numerical examples are there. And then lot of examples are there. Practical checklist is there. Cross references is there. And source and disclaimer is there. So how detailed commentary it is generating for you. Hope every one of you liking this. Three function I have shown. First is comparison, second is ready reckoner, and third is commentary. All these three functions clear to you? Please write yes or no. It is very important for me to know from you whether you are liking it or not. Sir, please write yes or no. Three function I have shown. Ashish is writing yes. Mukul is writing yes. Okay. Then coming to this, another function. After section Setu, there is a Niyam and Patra Setu. Here, you can search any income tax rules and forms. Suppose income tax rule is there and you want to see rule 6. What is rule 6? So here rule 6 is available for you. You can download directly from here. Rule 6 is available for you. Income tax department directly, rule 6 is available for you. You can download it. After that, again, if you want to see any forms, like you want to see the audit report form number 26, click on form 26, click on this search button. It is audit report and statement of particular required to be furnished. Earlier there are two forms, 3CB, 3CA and 3CD. Now there is one consolidated form 26 is there. If you click on form 26, it will directly download PDF for you. Just a minute. Form 26 is available for you. So in that way, you can easily search any form. Easily search any form. Getting my point? If the form is editable, we are interested to know how to use AI by CA. Yes, wait, sir. Yeah, I am telling you how to use AI by CA. The same thing I am telling you. And then come to this form rules I have shown you. In that way, you can view all. Here you can view all rules at once. Here you can view all forms at once. You can also compare it with old forms by clicking that. Then you will come to this compare button. If you compare this, you can compare 1962 versus 2026, 2026 versus 1962. So here I write 3CD. So automatically, older form is 3CD, now it is replaced by 2026. Similarly, if I write 49A, PAN form, 49A. I click on 49, right? New old form is 49A, new form is 93A. Similarly, 49B, if I select, is for 10, new form is 134. So in that way, you can compare and download all the forms from here only. Getting my point? The next feature is very, very important feature is the compliance calendar. Compliance calendar. All the compliances due in next 7 days, it will appear on your screen automatically. Like two due dates are here. Monthly TDS, TCS deposit date is here. Equalization and lever deposit date is here. It will automatically come on your screen. So you can create poster directly from here. So due to last time, I am not showing this function and straightforward coming to this window. After compliance calendar, there is a notification analyzer. Here I will show you. Here you just whenever a new notification or circular come, you have to put that notification and circular. There is no need to read it. There is no need even to see it. Just upload the PDF file here. It will automatically drag every information. Like I have notification. I have downloaded a circular number 4 divided by upon 2026 document identification number regime. It is recently issued on 31st March 2026 for you. So you have to do. I have already done the analysis on the same, and I am showing you the PDF the same. How beautifully it is working for you. Any circular, any notification you can analyze. What are the executive summary? What is this? This is the circular number 4 by 2026. It is issued on 31st March 2026. It is issued by the CBDT. What are the subject of the issue? And what are the subject and scope of the section? About what section this circular is talking about? It is talking about section 119, 292B, 292BE, 116. What are the suppression in the earlier circular? It is regarding mandatory quoting of DIN. What is the method of referencing? What are the exception to the public communication? What are the exceptional circumstances for non-generation of DIN? What are the procedure for exception? What are deleted from old circular? Earlier circular of 19 by 2019 of dated 14th August 19. Now it is new circular. What is new insertion in the circular? Three new insertion in there. What are substitution? What are the effective date of this notification? What are the person effective? What are the compliance action plan? What are the document required? What are the information required? What are the risk and penalty? What are the certain facts? Generally we want fact. What are the facts with regard to the circular? And what are the professional opinion and strategy with regard to the circular? So detailed notification analyzer is there. Hope you are liking this. How many of you liking this? Good. Now I am showing another thing to you in the same Setu. After that, there is a legal opinion. This is a very good. This is a very good thing I want to show you. Draft new opinion. Suppose to Mr. Venkatraman a new case is come. Suppose someone come to Mr. Venkatraman and said, sir, I want your opinion whether compulsory acquisition of agriculture land is taxable. So here we are giving the title, like I am giving you the title, taxability of taxability of compensation received on acquisition of agriculture land. And here I am giving certain facts. I am refining it. My post agriculture land has acquired compulsorily by government for 1.60 crore compensation, out of which 1,20,000 is interest and rest is principal. Now, just rough language I have written, but I want proper background of facts refined with AI. Now I am refining this with AI. Okay, this is now refined by AI. Now issue raised. Issue is interest is taxable. Is principal is taxable. Is agriculture land fall under definition of capital assets. Is it is taxable as capital gain. Four question I asked, four opinion I asked from Mr. Venkatam. And here SSC name, suppose SSC name is Mukul Lamba. Mukul Lamba approach Venkatraman sir for opinion. It is with regard to assessment year 25-26, and Mukul Lamba is from Jirakpur, Punjab. And both act with transition we have to mention. We have to study section 45, 1037, 146, 145B, 56, and case laws on land acquisition, CBDT, circular, etc. Council name, suppose I mentioned it, CA Venkatramanan. Qualification FCA, firm name Venkat Ramanan and Company. And company phone number is abc@gmail.com. After that, I click on this generate opinion, sir. See what will happen. See the magic of this tool. Meanwhile, this is generating the report. Is it Setu, sir? It is not BizGyan. Setu is AI tool for CA only. Friends, one thing I want to tell you. The senior chartered accountants, advocate, and tax practitioner is charging in lakhs for giving legal opinion in writing. And now, with the help of AI, without now knowing nothing in detail about any section or provision, you can draft AI generated legal opinions. Just a minute, and it is generated on third way. Now I will open it for you. Now I'm opening it in Word because it is working fast. Otherwise, you can generate in Word, you can generate in PDF. Legal opinion drafted in International 50 section. Tax evasion or capitalization received on acquisition of agriculture land. Assessee name is Mukul Lamba. Assessment is 25. Jurisdiction is there. Date of opinion is this. What is the title and subject of opinion? What is addressee and engagement? What is executive summary? What is the background and statement of facts? What are the document and material reviewed? What are the issues presented for opinion? What are the relevant statutory provisions? 214 automatically picked, 1037 automatically picked, 45.5 automatically picked, 52.7 automatically picked, 145B automatically picked, Income Tax Act automatically fixed. 1037 subordinate regulation, circulars automatically picked, judicial pronouncement automatically picked. And what are the analysis for fact and application? Issue number 1, what are the opinion? Then issue number 2, what are your opinion? With everything beautifully aligned. Issue 3, what are the agricultural India false in definition of capital? And then question number 4, what are the principal compensation taxable capital gain? Then discussion and counter argument. Then conclusion, opinion on each issue. And then recommendation and compliance roadmap. Then assumption, caveats, and limitation. Then reliance, date, and place of signature. Then niche beautifully drafted signature by CA Venkatramanan, FCA Venkatramanan and Company, ABC@gmail. In that way, you can create any legal opinion on any section of the Income Tax Act. Any section of the Income Tax Act in a beautifully presented high class quality like a senior advocate or taxation or legal firm. Beautiful. And you can charge in thousands of rupees for generating such a opinion. And wherever you find it it is hallucinating or it is not giving correct information, you can rectify by just reading it. Or wherever you want to change, there is a Word file, you can change it. I am telling you just to type this 12 page, and just to do that research you require hours. You require hours. Now you can do that work just in seconds, sir. Just in second. How many of you like this function? Amazing. Big Four used to charge lakhs for the same. Legal opinion is a welcome step and tool for mid-sized CA firm and CA practitioner. How many of you find it this legal opinion tool will help you? What many tools in one tool? It is definitely good, sir. Ashish Gupta is writing very good. And how detailed it is, and how beautifully drafted it is. The beauty of AI. And now again, I am coming to this Setu AI. After that, there is a tab called Notice Navigator. Here you can upload any notice and analyze it. Here, for the sake of saving of time, I already saved a notice, that is notice for underreporting and misreporting of income. There is a show cost notice. Notice under section 274 read with section 270 year for the assessment year 2024. You can give it any notice, and AI will analyze what are the deficiency in this notice. Like in this view, this is the notification section evoked. What are the mode and date of service? What are the limitation of penalty order? What is every guidance to a assessee or to a chartered accountant or to a tax consultant about uh, analyzing the notice. If someone is unable to understand regarding which matter this notice is, why it comes to me, how to pursue with the same, where to report, what to write. So without doing anything or without opening any reckoner or a textbook, he can give the notice to the AI. AI will analyze everything for that, and it is very beautifully drafted. And it is not only reading the notice, it will giving you the strategy. Now what to do, option, what it involves, what are the pros, what are the cons, when to choose. यह है comply, fully accept penalty, comply partially with objection, contest vigorously, settlement, writ petition. What are the options, and what are the dates by which you have to take which action? It is guiding you. And what are the remedies available for you? It is also guiding. And after that, it will preparing a sample reply for you. And what are, if a reply is not accepted by AO, then where you can go? You go to the commissioner appeal, then you are go to the ITAT, you can go to the High Court, you can go to the Supreme Court, you can file the writ petition. What are the statutory fees? What are the form? What are the key condition? But how you can take the stay of demand? On every step, it is guiding you, and just in a second. And it is also DPDP protected, personal data masked. In this notice, nowhere personal data is capturing. We are not capturing any personal data. It is already redact. It is already hide. So you can analyze any notice just by giving to the AI or our tool, and analyze the notice in detail and beautifully report. Notice under section 274 read with 2425. This section, DIN number, assessing authority, assessment year, date of issue, response date, language, report date, notice identification, validation and limitation check, nature and purpose of notice, statutory provision evoked, procedural compliance audit, factual metrics, risk and exposure, available defenses and legal ground, strategic option metrics, step-by-step action plan with deadlines, document checklist, what documents you have to prepare, what documents should be available with you to reply this notice. It is showing you copy of impact show cost notice, copy of assessment order, copy of notice of demand, copy of acknowledgement of ITR filed, all submission replies and documentary evidence filed during the assessment procedure, specific evidence, a working to demonstrate SSC edition do not constitute misreporting under section 270A9, copy of judicial precedent case law intended to use, draft reply to the notice. Everything is ready for you just in a fraction of second. So you find this function useful in this tool or not? How many? Will this useful for notices received under Income Tax Act 2025 or Income Tax Rule 2026, or will only useful old Act? Sir, Ramesh ji, it will also help on both acts. It will help on both acts, sir. because in up to 4, 5, 6, 7 year you will receive notice only on the old tax act, red section 536, repeal and saving, because it is a very big topic. आयकर अधिनियम 1961 अभी जिंदा है. इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 is still alive. I have uploaded many videos on many channels. It is still live. Getting my point? So in that way, you can analyze any notice. Now come to the another functionality of this tab. That is smart research. Smart research is a very good function. Again, you have to go to the section Setu. Section Setu. Here I put a sections for 44 AD I have put. Consumptive income. 44 AD now become the 58. And if we go downside, here is a tab called Smart Research. By Smart Research, what you can do? You can create article, you can create slides, you can create FAQ, you can create MCQ, you can create real-time case study, you can create legal dictionary, you can create visual infographics. So for the safety of time, I have created some reports. I will demonstrating you what you will do in Smart Research. Just go to the Smart Research tab. Here everything is saved. Suppose first I will opening an infographics for you. Or if you want to share infographic regarding a particular section with someone, so just open here. This beautiful design infographic is ready in Hindi. The beauty of this tool, it will working in bilingual way. Two languages you can work in that software, Hindi or English. You can generate infographic, you can do any work in Hindi as well as English. Which language you want to use, you have to choose. And according to that, you have to do any reporting. So similarly, you can generate articles. Like I have generated an article on search and seizure in Hindi. Similarly, you can generate article on return of income. Here the article on return of income. You can prepare PPTs. You can ask FAQs. So on search and seizure, I asked it to prepare 25 FAQ. So immediately it has prepared 25 facts. What is search and seizure? With answer, it is available. So here you can do anything, and you can directly download PDF of the same. After that, sir, everything, every work done by you, every research done by you, ready reckoner, commentary, legal opinion, everything is saved in your My Library. The work, the research you are doing earlier lost. आप काम करते थे लेकिन गुम हो जाता था, पता नहीं रहता था. Or if you want to improve, and that is the FAQ list generated. How beautifully designed it is. 25 FAQs ready for you. Getting my point? So earlier, what you are doing, whatever work you are doing is lost somewhere because you are not properly saving it. Or if you save it in some folder, it is not available. Now it is available in your dashboard. And not only you can read it, you can view it again, you can regenerate. Suppose some another client come for search and seizure to me. Now I want to update up to the date. Then I will click on that regenerate button. Every work you have done earlier, it is to be updated, so you can regenerate that report. It will work accordingly to that. Getting my point? Now in this consolidated report, you can get a book shape report in which it include PPT, article, ready reckoner, commentary, article, MCQ test, case study, legal opinion in a single PDF. Whatever you done whatever research you have done about a particular section, you can download it in a single consolidated report, but it will take little time. But every work done by you is saved here. How many ready reckoner you have prepared, how articles you prepared, how many PPT you have prepared, everything is available here. Then knowledge bank, you can upload your knowledge bank to that and do your analysis. Then blog studio, it is very good function. Suppose I want to write down a blog. People are writing blogs, articles now in the nowadays in the um, magazines, social media, article, papers, newspapers, magazines, etc. Suppose I want to write an article on taxation of crypto VDA, virtual digital asset. That is virtual digital asset. I want to pen down an article on virtual digital asset, and language should be in English. But in my audience? My audience is chartered accountant and tax professional. In which language I want to write? Authoritative, conversational, explainer, analytical, analytical. Then few keyword: crypto, VDA, NFT, etc. Section I have not given. I want to write a detailed one, and I want to include examples and real life case studies in that. That is it. Now I will click on generate blogs. Wait for a minute. Meanwhile, tell me, Mr. Sija is asking, is it suitable for drafting the appeal? Sir, no, for this there is a separate tool. There is a separate tool, sir. Is the data stored in your cloud storage, or do you give exclusively cloud support for us from the point of view of confidentiality? Venkataraman ji, it is stored on lovable cloud like AWS. AWS. So all the data, all the storage is given by taken by us. We are taking a subscription for you. It is available on a remote server situated in South Asia, and all the data is secured and in encrypted way in this storage. Okay, Venkataraman ji. Any other question meanwhile? Meanwhile, it is writing article for you. I asked everyone if this space is common for all. Every person has its own login ID and password. Your data is stored in your login ID and password. Getting my point? Every user, whoever subscribed to this, is got his user ID and password, and his data is stored to his user and password. No other one can see it.
Sir, once it is done, I will show that how to use it and subscribe to it.
And just a minute. Just see here, complete blog, complete article is ready on crypto exchange. And show the beauty of that, you can generate a fast, you can a premium and hero, generate hero. Just a minute. And you can save it, and you can download it in PDF, you can download it in docs, you can directly WhatsApp it, you can share it. Just give me a minute. Generate hero, I have clicked. Meanwhile, I am discussing with you, I have demonstrated the all tool with you, Mr. Venkatraman, Mr. Gopalji, Govindaji, everyone, Ashishji. I have a common question to all of you. How we professional can further improve to this? Your feedback gives us energy and enthusiasm to improve these kind of tools further. Because If you are using that tool and you are not giving feedback to us, how we can improve this thing? We have to work collectively. We are working on technology side. You have to give your valuable feedbacks. Okay, how we can improve these things further. It is our first step towards automation of CA practice, particularly in text side, and how you can make it further better. For that, your valuable suggestions is always welcome by Dijkian team. And I my hand folded request to everyone present here to share your valuable feedback, how we make it more fruitful, more better uh, than earlier versions. You must have seen from last 2 3 years we are working a lot on AI side, and we have start from scratch. Now we are learning and earning both. In the same way, we will do. So, friends, I have totally demonstrated this tool to you. So, share your valuable feedback. Now, meanwhile, I think now see, it has automatically write it in a book style. Automatically, beautiful picture is inserted, and now see the beauty. It is now beautifully aligned. Everything is beautifully aligned, structured. Everything you can see, and you can directly download this article in PDF by clicking here. First, save it, and then download in PDF. Update, save, download in PDF. PDF is downloaded for you, sir. This article is ready for you, sir. So just in few seconds, you can do the wonder. Now, Mukul, over to you to showing to this users, if anyone interested in that, how to subscribe for this thing. Over to you, Mukul. Then I will demonstrate FinState AI.
So kindly stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
So to purchase the subscription of the same, you need to go to this website, that is karsetu.online. I am pasting it again. So this is the domain for the same. Once you go in, like everywhere you create your account, you have to create your account. Get started. Here you have to enter your name, email, password, and create an account. And after that, creating your account, it will directly take you to this subscription page. And here, the subscription for all the feature for single year is only 2500 plus GST. Suppose you even buy a ready reckoner, everything, and then you have to read it. It cost more than that. But here you get the AI analysis of complete thing. All the things are has shown in the demo. So we have just nominally priced it for just around 200 per month. It is 2500 plus GST for the year. And here you can use the entire feature and do your research and take your understanding of this new Income Tax Act 2025 to another level. Just click on this button, pay the required amount 2950, and once the payment is done, we will activate your subscription within just intimation of receiving the payment. Early it will be activated in 15 to 20 minutes, or you can mail to us. After that, you log in with your same ID and sign in. Then you can use the features of all the tools we have shown. So this was about the Kar Setu app. 1 year, sir. 2950 is for 1 year. One more thing I wanted to share, like this was the tool for Karsetu demo. So I wanted to share with the membership plan that we have launched. So what is in store from this membership plan? Like if you purchase this membership plan, in every month you will get 2 webinars, means 24 webinars in a year, 10% discount on all the seminar or the courses or the residential programs or the physical boot camp we conduct, 20% off on ebooks, 20% off on this kind of AI tools like Karsetu, digital products. So if you buy this membership, that too is 2500 plus GST. So all these benefits you will get: 24 webinars, 10% discount on all courses, 20% discount on ebooks and courses. So I'm also once pasting the link for this membership. If you are interested in this, you can definitely consider buying the membership, and you will get 20% off on this tools also. So let me paste the link for membership also. Yes. It will be corrected, sir. It might be some error from the editor. It is for 1 year. 2950 is for 1 year. It is actually was in beta stage till tomorrow. We have just today only launched it. So it is for 1 year. And also I have pasted the annual subscription link. If anybody wants to purchase our subscription and get that benefits, you can definitely consider that. Okay, so it's over. I think no more questions are there. So really, it was very interesting to interact with you in this 3-day AI mastery course. Hope it was useful to you, and it can definitely be seen from your comments and interaction that you learned so many things. In case you have any questions to ask, or you want to know some tool or product, you can definitely write a email to us at this email ID. We would be happy to help you. So once again, thank you for joining in this 3-day boot camp. On weekend it was 1st, 2nd, and 3rd May. So let's wind it up. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Bye bye, and stay tuned for further boot camps.